Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Cajetan, a priest, and Saint Sixtus II, Pope, and his companions. They are martyrs. In our gospel reading today, Jesus and his disciples were in Caesarea Philippi, meaning they were in a new territory. And there Jesus asked his disciples, "Who do people say that I am, the Son of Man is?" And so, Jesus wanted to know ano ang level ng kaalaman ng mga tao sa paligid. And they mentioned a lot of names: John the Baptist, Elijah, Jeremiah, or one of the prophets. Then Jesus focused his attention to his disciples. He asked them this question, "But who do you say that I am?" It is a personal question, not a theological quiz. It is not a matter of a head knowledge, but a heart question. Who am I to you? And this question is very personal, because our answer to this question and the answer of the disciples would shape our life, our decisions, our careers, our priorities in life. And so, our relationship with the Lord, who He is in our lives, will determine what kind of life we will have. Kung ano ang pagkakilala natin sa Diyos, yun din ang magiging pundasyon kung ano at sino tayo na nais natin sa buhay. Kaya po mga kapatid, napaka-importante na kilalanin natin ng Diyos, palalimin natin ang ating ugnayan natin sa Kanya, sapagkat yung ating pagkakilala sa Kanya ang siyang huhulma kung ano ang tatakbuhan, patutunguhan ng ating buhay. Because when we know God as our Savior, companion, friend, and everything in our life, then our life is not only about success, but it is about meaning. It is not only about achievement, but of purpose. Sana mas palalimin natin ang ating ugnayan, ang ating pagkilala sa Diyos. That hopefully if Jesus asks us, "Who am I to you?" our answer will also be a personal answer. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.